Hello friends, today we have with us Mr. Neeraj Kushwaha who secured All India 6th rank with electrical engineering in GATE 2020. Mr. Neeraj has taken our classroom coaching in ACE Academy, New Delhi. So let us know what are his success secrets, etc. Anyway, briefly tell me, Mr. Neeraj, something about yourself.
Uh, Sir, I did my BTech from IIT Roorkee and I passed out in 2017. And after that, I got campus placement in Tata Motors, and I did job there for 2 years. And in September 19, I thought it's better to get a PSU rather than a private company. So I joined ACE Academy in September 19, and within 5 months, with the faculties of ACE Academy, I secured 6th rank, and today I am here with you.
Okay. Who are your favorite teachers in Delhi?
Actually, sir, everyone is good but in Power Tonics, Sajal sir, and Networks, Swarma sir, those were
Very
fabulous
good.
teachers, sir.
Every day used to have classes for about 5 to 6 hours minimum. Minimum. Sometimes even maybe more than that. So how many hours extra used to prepare yourself at home?
Sir, if you really asking how many hours, then I don't have any answer,
Excellent. Okay.
because till the time I get sleep, I studied. And when a person has passion for his goals, he never thinks about time.
Time. Okay.
So that's why I cannot give you exact answer, sir.
How is the ACE Engineering Academy New Delhi environment for you?
Sir, it was quite helpful. There was a library also, and which was very helpful after the classroom coachings, and even the Sundays. I used to go there and studied, and there was also books there, and all the faculties members after the classrooms, they cleared all my doubts.
Doubts.
And I also did get previous year's questions,
Okay.
and that also they cleared. So it was
So
good.
was the running notes given in the classes, etc.?
Yes, sir.
Is it useful to you?
Yes, sir. Very useful, sir.
Okay.
Because in ACE Academy, sir, what I felt myself, that the concept means, some in other coachings, my friends told me that they just used to give formulas, like just use this formula and get the answer. But in ACE Academy, the faculty is more focused on the concepts. And in GATE 2020, we all know that the paper was very conceptual.
Concept. Right.
So that's why I scored good.
So how you have used the online test series of ACE Academy along with your preparation?
Sir, I started my test series in December, and when I gave the first test, I just got 40 marks, sir,
Okay, out of 100.
out of 100, sir.
Ah.
So it was very
Disappointing.
disappointment, sir.
Ah.
But slowly I improved myself. I never got above 65,
Yeah.
but that is the that is the storyline, sir.
Okay.
If I don't get failure, how will I get success?
How you have rectified the mistakes? Suppose you got less marks, you committed some mistakes in the mock test or model test.
Yes,
How
sir.
you rectified them?
Sir, there were three types of questions. First was which I done correctly. Second, which I knew and I did some silly mistakes.
Silly mistakes.
And third, which I didn't know.
You don't know.
That was my gray area.
Great.
So, first of all, whatever the mistakes that I'm learning, whatever the mistakes that I was doing,
Then.
first I jot down all the mistakes in a sticky notes paper, and then I put it on the wall.
Okay.
And whatever the concepts that I was not aware of, I learned, and then again gave tests.
So day by day you improved your performance.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many times you have revised suppose previous gate questions?
That's, sir, not just 2 times, sir.
Two times.
But not all the questions. The question which I am which I went previously. That only that.
Some of the
question.
students regularly ask a question, sir, if I practice the previous questions of GATE, is it sufficient to get a good rank? What is your opinion?
Sufficient. I mean, nobody can say sufficient, sir.
Sufficient.
But yes, that is how you can understand the
Pattern of questions.
Yeah, yes, patterns of question and the mindset of the examiner, how he can ask.
Yeah, yeah.
And if I do solve all the previous questions, what is good, a positive point is that I know almost all the concepts that how I can use it. The application of concepts is very important when we solve the GATE questions.
Have gone through previous engineering services questions.
Yes, sir. I went through all questions, previous ESE questions. For the remaining exams preparation like ISRO, ESE, and all other
You
small-
practice them also.
practice them, but not very big. My GS and GK is a bit weak, so
Okay.
and I have just 5 months.
See, generally, students are of two types. Final year students, one side they are going through academics and preparing for GATE exam. The other side, BTech passed out students preparing. So, what is your advice? These two types of students. One is college going students, another is passed out students.
Sir, if I talk about the college going students who are just appearing for their 4th year, for them, they know the concept. And according to me, if I talk about my opinion, if you continue after your 4th year your preparation, that is very good, because when you leave the touch with your subjects, it is very difficult to regain it.
Okay.
That is.
So, you say that final year students will have an advantage.
Yes, sir.
Because
Definitely.
they are in
and
touch with the subject.
Yes, sir. If I also myself regret that I should have studied 2 years back
Properly
yes, sir.
in the final year.
Yes, sir.
So, how you have overcome this pressure, particularly after BTech? See, it's a break, almost break.
Yes, sir.
So, there will be a lot of pressure. If I don't succeed in this exam, so something may happen. I think you might also might have undergone such a pressure. How you have overcome that pressure?
Sir, there were two things. First of all, motivational songs.
Okay.
Whenever I feel demotivated, whenever I feel that I am not able to go through the whenever I was not able to understand the questions, so I felt demotivated. So I always used to listen motivational songs.
Excellent.
There were some 10 to 20 songs I made, and then I did it. And secondly, sir, I kept asking myself that is it really necessary to be in panic?
No.
Does the panic help?
Ah.
I always get answer,
No. No need. No need. Kuch nahi hota. Nothing will happen.
I will not die.
I will not die.
So that's why I just gave and got selected.
How you are connected with the social media in the last 4 or 5 years? 4 or 5 months, I'm sorry.
No, sir. Almost zero, sir.
Almost zero.
Almost zero. But one thing is there, sir. I used social media only for helping others.
Helping others.
Yes, sir. I also want to give the suggestions to all my students, all the aspirants, that whenever you are preparing for any exam, do help other students by social medias, because what happens when they ask questions, that is sometimes you get the answer, sometimes you may get a new type of question.
New type of questions.
So that is helpful for both of you.
So teaching is learning.
Yes, sir. That I did from Facebook and WhatsApp, nothing else.
Nothing else. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Only for academic purpose.
Only for academic purpose, sir. And I uninstalled Instagram.
Okay, very good, very good. So, have you prepared any short notes or micro notes or handbook of ACE, etc.?
Yes, sir. For short notes, I referred that ACE handbook in electrical engineering, and that questions that in test series that I was not able to did. That I made formula notes and in the sticky notes only.
Okay.
I personally feel that referring others short notes will not help
Will
much.
not help. Yes, much.
Will not help much.
It should be our own.
It should be our own. Then only it will help, sir.
Okay, okay. So, Neeraj, what is your future plan?
Sir, I would like to join PSUs after this
Okay.
achievement, sir.
Okay,
And then we will see.
okay. Okay, Mr. Neeraj. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.